You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ford Fusion.
This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions.
Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.